Being an environment artist, you are also the governor of this whole new world. You don't just build fancy buildings, infrastructures, and beautiful parks. However, they need to be functional. Hello, welcome to this section. We will learn about environment art, the place where your game happens. In this section, we'll talk about what environment art is, what an environment artist does in a game, and what to think about when making game environments. Let's start by understanding what environment art is and why it plays a crucial role in game design. The environment is a world where the game takes place. It includes landscape, buildings, and other elements. It can be a simple background in a visual novel or a complex RPG world. Environment art is not just about making a beautiful environment. It needs to be useful and ensure the player knows where to go and what to do. Environment artists collaborate with game designers and concept artists to create this whole new world. Game designers focus on gameplay mechanics, concept artists visualize the artistic direction, and environment artists transform these ideas into a polished, playable world. If you're working alone, you take on all these roles yourself. There are several essential principles in designing effective game environments. First, visual hierarchy. The most important information should be the easiest to see. You have to ensure that the players intuitively know where to go and what to focus on. For example, look at this game, Deltarune. Here, you will intuitively know where to go. The big, detailed gate couldn't be ignored, right? Second, believability. The environment should feel consistent within its world. Even the most absurd games need logic. For example, Plants vs. Zombies. Each plant and zombie have unique abilities that match its design, such as the pea shooter that shoots peas, or the sunflower that produces the sun. Third, storytelling. Storytelling in environment design means crafting a world that visually conveys a story without needing direct exposition. The example is Hollow Knight, where ruined cities, forgotten statues, and cryptic murals subtly reveal the lore of the Fallen Kingdom. Fourth, color harmony. Well, it's basically the combination of colors that look good together to the human eyes. There are several combinations you can use: analogous, complementary, and triadic. Analogous is a sim that uses 3 colors in a row on the color wheel. This creates a subtle and harmonious look. Next, complementary. It is a sim that uses colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, like red and green. This creates a high contrast look. Then, triadic. It is a sim that uses 3 colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. This is a good sim for projects that need lots of color. Now, can you guess which color harmony this game uses? It's complementary color. You can see there are 2 main colors that contrasting each other, blue and orange. Now that we understand the principles, let's apply them to game design. First, get references. Look on Pinterest, explore video games, or step outside and take some photos. You can also create a mood board. Then, draw the concept art based on your references. Sketch your ideas. It will help you develop your original ideas. Play with colors and follow color theory. Here's an example concept, a cozy 2D platformer where the Mochi Cat collects fish instead of coins. The setting takes place in a harbor and the tone is peaceful. For the color harmony, I'm using complementary colors. The overall palette is blue, with the fish being orange for the contrast. You will need to consider the resources and assets required. This includes designing modular assets, which we will cover in the next section. I'll see you in the next section.